How to download and install Synaptic Touchpad driver on Windows 11. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can download and install Synaptic Touchpad driver on your Windows. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, what you'll need to take is go through your device manager. You can search for your device manager from here and press enter, and you should find your device managers. So what you'll need to do is head over and find a driver. Now, most common one is by heading over to human interface devices or mice and other pointing devices, whichever there you will find this driver right here, that is touchpad. So you'll find HID compliant touchpad or your Synaptic touchpad driver. So after you find that, you can double click on it and head over to the drivers tab. After you're here, you'll find the update driver option. Tap on it, and from here you can browse through your device for drivers or search for automatically. Then you can find the best driver. If there is any available, you can update that. If it's already updated, that's great. Now this is the first method. The second method is going through your manufacturer's website. For that, open up your web browser. After you're on your web browser, simply head over to your manufacturer's website. So mine is a Dell laptop, so I'll head over to Dell support, or you can go to drivers and downloads. So you can search for this, then head over here. After that, you will need to identify the product. Now, sometimes they will identify your system automatically. If you find this option, simply tap on allow, and they will start identifying your PC. So head over to your PC, you can click on this. And after that, you can then find drivers and downloads. From here, you can find the drivers. You'll see find drivers option. Tap on this, and it'll take you to another page. All you now have to do is search for a driver. So enter out a driver. You can search for touchpad. Make sure that your operating system, category, everything is ready. So search for it. So after you search for touchpad, if you find it, that's great. You can now download it. If you don't find it, that means that there is no available better versions of that driver. So whichever you're on is the best one. And that's basically it, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.